In this video, we'll show you how to use the calendar functionality in the Dusk IOP app. Start by entering your PIN. When you arrive at the dashboard, a sync will perform to pull down any new information and sync any previously held information on the device. From the dashboard, press the calendar tile. In here, a small grey bar in the middle of the screen can be pulled down to reveal the month. In here are a series of coloured dots on the different days, which symbolise the status of work on those particular days. Tapping a day will show that work down the bottom. For example, pressing the 18th of May will show the jobs and their statuses for that day. From here, each of those jobs can be tapped, and if it's scheduled, it can be viewed at the summary level. If it's in progress, it can be viewed at the detailed level and continued. If it's completed, it can also be reviewed, and the same with any dispatched work as well. There's also the ability to tap the green bar where it says tap to view month, which will show a month summary calendar view of the jobs. Tapping again will take the user back to the view of the day. The top left has a funnel. Pressing that is an extensive filter menu. There is the ability to do free text search where it says type to search. Start dates can be selected, end dates, job stages, and job priorities can all be used to find work. Consolidated materials is useful for any user heading out with a series of jobs that have materials as part of them, so they can see all the materials that they need to take for the day, the week, or the month. Using the client filter at the bottom allows the user to filter by client, and pressing apply. This shows information for that client specifically. To clear the filter, simply press the clear button.